Welcome again to this course, Working in Child Protection Field. It is the last topic in this course. It is computer skills in child protection. Through years of working in this field and dealing with hundreds of employees in different positions, lack of computer skills was the main obstacle for many of those employees that prevented them to develop, to get promotions, or to get better positions. In fact, besides the language skills, your educational background and educational level, which are important factors to be successful and make impact in this field, you will need the basic computer skills to develop or to get promotions or to reach good positions. I don't mean you should be a programmer or computer expert or professional in a specific program. Rather, I mean some of the basics that every employee or worker needs in this field. Simply, these computer skills comprised of emails, Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Some people may use other different softwares that serve the same purposes, such as using SPSS software instead of Excel. Now let's briefly see these softwares or programs that are used in child protection works. First, sending and receiving emails. When you open your email, you will see your inbox, the sent emails, your drafts, and etc. And you will see Compose button at the top. When you select Compose button, it will open a new big window in which you will see several empty areas which need to be filled. At the very top of this window, you can see the word "to". You have to put the email address of the person or the persons you want to send the email to. You can put one person or more. Another thing, you can copy other people. This means one person or more and let them know about this email and its content through putting their email addresses here in the second empty line, where you can see the letters CC. When the email is received, the person in the first line will know that the person in the second line is also received this email, and vice versa. There is another layer called BCC, where you can put another person's email or more than one email address, but he or she will be hidden, and people in the first and second layers will not be able to see or know that this person also received this email. Under the address areas, you will see another empty area, and you can see the word subject. It is the place where you can write the title or the subject of your email. And without a clear subject, your email will be weak or not good email and will be criticized. Under the subject, you can see a big empty area where you can write the body of your email, which need to be written very well. Very well in terms of the structure, style, font, paragraphs, ideas, punctuational marks, and etc. After finishing the body of your email, you need to write a closure word or phrase, such as thanks, many thanks, best regards, thanks in advance, and so on. Also, under that phrase or word, you need to write your name, your position or job title, contact information, and your address. Also, you can put the logo of the entity you work for. You can use anything from the buttons below to write good emails. You have several buttons below. You can choose the font type, the font size, the colors, and you can start from the left or from the right. And here, as you can see, we have an important button which is used frequently, called attachment button. When you click it, it will enable you to access any place in your computer to attach files. You can attach reports, Word documents, Excel documents, PowerPoint documents, photos, and etc. Another important point about emails. When you receive an email like this one, you can see two important buttons in the right. The first one is the curved arrow. It is the reply button. If you click it, you can go directly to answer the email you received. That means directly answer the person who sent you this email, and no need to go to compose bottom and open new window and put address and so on. Click this button and answer directly. Beside this button, you can see the three dots button. When you click it, a new list will open with several commands. The first three commands are used frequently. The first command, replay, is to directly reply the person who sent you this email. If you select the second one, reply to all, you will reply to all the persons or the email addresses that the senders put in this email. And the third option within this command, forward, you can use it to forward this email to another person or to more than one person. You will only need to put the email address after selecting forward option. In fact, you cannot complain. Everything you need to write good email is there. Thus, try to use whatever you need to write good emails, because your emails reflect your personality, skills, thinking, and etc. Now, let's move to another software. It is Word software. In most child protection work, you only need the basics of Word software to do the daily works. But the more you know about this software, the better you can express or reflect your skills. Let's have an example. We have this training report. You can see the title, the reporter name, the date, a break line, the background about the training, a very good paragraph. If you read it, you can get all the details about this training. Also, you can see the punctuational marks are put in place. Under this paragraph, you can see this good table with a title above. It has suitable colors, suitable font type, and suitable font size. In fact, everything written and arranged very well. If you go down, you have another table. The quality is the same. Also, you can see suitable paragraphs division throughout the report. Also, you can see photos and other documents were inserted in this report. In fact, when you do such works, in most cases, no one will tell you what you will need to write or how to do such works. You need to think of what and how to write. What do you need to cover and how? And you should select suitable font type, font size, and nice and suitable colors. Tables should be clear and in good look. Same thing with the figures and photos. And you should consider the titles, numbers, paragraphs, punctuational marks, and etc. This is how you should use Word software in your work. Now let's move to Excel software. As you know, Excel is a massive software, and one can spend years learning of this program. But in most child protection work, you only need the basics, such as preparing tables, figures, charts, and some simple calculations. But again, the more you know about this program, the better you can express and reflect how competent and skillful you are. In child protection works, first you should know how to select font types, font size, colors, and how to prepare tables, which is not a big deal. You can do that simply through selecting an area that fits your need, then go to Format Table button, and you can find dozens of shapes as you can see. And there is another way to prepare tables. Simply select the area you need, then go to Border button, this one here. Click it. You will find different shapes. Select the one you want. With this command, you can make changes on the line thickness, colors, and style. In most child protection work, you will see simple tables like these too. And the good thing is, you can convert these tables to charts and figures. You can do that simply through selecting the values, then go to Insert, then select Recommended Chart, and the program will suggest several charts for you. You can choose the shape that serves your idea. Another good point is this: you can copy any chart or figure and use it with other softwares. For example, you can copy a chart and insert or paste it in a Word document or PowerPoint slide, and so on. If your job requires more Excel knowledge, you can go to YouTube. Try to spend a couple hours. That will make you more competent. Now let's move to another software, the PowerPoint software. Again, it is a massive software. It is enough to know the basics to do the daily simple works in child protection. But if you are looking for a good position in this field, you will need to spend more efforts on this program. The basics of this program consist of opening a PowerPoint file, name the file, go to the top to File Command. You will find several options. You can choose a ready template, as you can see, or you can choose an empty template and show us some of your designing skills. If you select the empty one, you need to open a new slide. Go to File Command, then to New Slide. You can choose the layout for your slide. That's true. Right-click on the slide, go to Layout option, choose the shape you want. Text only, text and shape, text and picture, text and two pictures, text and two shapes, and etc. Choose the one you want. With this software, you can choose the font type, font size, the font colors for your text. Also, you can choose or design the background through right-click on the slide, go to Background option. A new window will open on the right, where you can see several options for your background. To choose how the text, pictures, or the shapes will appear during the presentation, you can go to Animations command. You will see dozens of options. Also, you have dozens of transitions options for your slides and elements you designed. Just go to Transitions command. Click, you will see dozens of options. If you need specific symbols or shapes for your design, such as circles, squares, arrows, and etc., just go to Shapes window, as you can see here. Open this window, you will find dozens of different shapes and symbols. To cut this story short, the more you know about emails, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint softwares, the better options will be there for you. Not only these programs, but knowing other related programs will increase your chances and options. At least try to learn what we have just mentioned to be able to work effectively in child protection field. Now we have reached the end of this course. We tried to cover all the essential topics in child protection. If you have any comment or question, or you need additional information or the materials of these topics, you can reach me through this email. Don't forget to subscribe and leave likes on the videos. That will help us to produce more materials. Also, don't forget that the smallest piece of information in child protection can save or improve a child's life. Thank you.